It's now time for Ask the Vet, brought to you by Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, dedicated professionals committed to helping each horse reach its full athletic potential.
Hi, I'm Ben Buchanan. I'm the internal medicine specialist at the Brazos Valley Equine Hospital. Crystal and Carly want to know more about Lasix and exercise-induced pulmonary hemorrhage. Now, this is a great question and a common problem for many of our clients. Over the last several years, we've tried many different therapies to stop barrel horses from bleeding, and Lasix is one of those therapies. Lasix is a diuretic. It reduces the circulating blood volume and it may dilate the airway. In a situation like a barrel horse, it may also help reduce the bleeding, but it's unlikely to stop it. As a diuretic, too frequent use will cause electrolyte imbalances that may impact the performance of your horse or cause other medical problems. One common problem that we treat in horses that are bleeding is lower airway inflammation. Inflammation deep in the lungs can affect the blood pressure and the airway pressures, and when those are abnormal, it can lead to damage to the airway and possibly bleeding. Blood itself is inflammatory, and this tends to set up a cycle. At the Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, we try to tailor the therapy to the individual horse, his tendency to bleed, and to the degree of airway inflammation. Seeing blood in the nose after a race can be scary, but not all bleeding episodes present that way. There are more subtle signs that a horse may be bleeding. A cough or two after exercise, taking a longer time to recover after a competition, or just poor performance are all common complaints that we see in horses that are bleeding. At the Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, we try to evaluate the entire horse to look at other factors that can be contributing to your horse's problem, and there are many therapies in addition to or instead of Lasix to help these horses. If you have any questions about performance problems or exercise-induced pulmonary hemorrhage in the horse, come see us or look us up on Facebook at Brazos Valley Equine Hospital and on the web at bveh.com.
Ask the Vet, brought to you by Brazos Valley Equine Hospital, now with 3 convenient locations in Texas: Navasota, Rockdale, and Stephenville.